My daughter-in-law is hysterical.
This is the couch. We have to take it apart.
We just bought the couch.
No matter what size of a couch, no matter if it's a big couch or small couch, nothing gonna go through this hallway. I need a cutter.
You know, I always thought, what do we do? We have to like, what do we do with the sofa? Like,
Yeah, cool.
we give it away. You know, who doesn't thought somebody could take it apart? Now we're okay.
We out. Boy, that's very heavy. That's good. People can reach us anytime, if situation, 24/7. Oh my gosh. You call me with any kind of situation of furniture, you never heard from me no. Oh my gosh, wow. That's the emergency. You see the door, you see the hallways, you see the staircase. Where did you buy the sofa from? Now we're talking. We're gonna perform our job in this area right here. You want to get the legs? Now the tricky here, it's when we're going up. Let's go. Yeah, okay. It's very light, isn't it? Hopefully that we don't have to take apart more. Angle. In the angle. Yeah? No? We can stand it up.
Okay, jalan tu punta.
No? You have to go first to this air apartment. No? There you go.
Kind of measured initially and knew it wasn't going to work.
Now those furniture companies, they have a special service. It's called measuring service.
Yeah, they came and they were like, the measuring service came and they're like, it should fit. We're like, well, is it definitely going to fit? I think it should fit. We're like, what about a millimeter here? We're like, well, it doesn't fit. Is it on you? They're like, no, not at all.
That's the sofa that you saw in the store when you buy it?
Thank you guys.
Thank you, congratulations. Behind me, you can see it's the W Hotel. The manager of the hotel gave me a call. We're looking for someone to help us with a big problem. I said, how big is this? He said, we have 200 couches that doesn't fit into our rooms. Can you do it? Yes, sure. That was like really exciting and nervous job. Oh my gosh, I never said like the surgery succeeded but the patient died. For me, all my patients survive.